told me all of your thoughts. Some words did hurt me. I'd stop the world for a while just to hear you speak, to hear your dreams. The lights turned off and we just held each other close and closer, as the stars aligned and we were meant to collide on this cold, cold night. Such a perfect moment, the time, hearts away from all the fire, falling down on us tonight, on this cold, cold night, on this cold, cold night, cold, cold such a perfect moment on this cold, cold night. You told me all your beliefs and the fears that are underneath. I'd set the world on fire, if it's what you desire, just stay with me. The lights turned off and we just held each other close and closer, as the stars aligned and we were meant to collide on this cold, cold night. Such a perfect moment, the time, hearts away from all the fire, falling down on us tonight, on this cold, cold night. Such a perfect moment, the time, on this cold, cold night. Such a perfect moment, cold, cold night. Such a perfect moment on this cold, cold night. Cold, cold night. Such a perfect moment on this cold, cold night. Don't say that no, it's building up. I'm losing patience, I've had enough. Time's ticking, I miss your love, I miss your love. Don't say that no, it's building up. Why did you leave me with all these torn feelings? I just wanna hate you, but I know I hate to. Ain't that the funny thing? You don't cross my mind, not even in dreams. Then you go and do this and bring it back to me. I just wanna live free without haunting memories.
Yo, welcome to another Hyperdrive Live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the Nasdaq futures market using the Hyperdrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up, because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session, you want to learn this system, grab my Hyperdrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Happy, what we got? Thursday. Happy Thursday. Good morning. Give me some sevens in the chat if you guys can hear me. On Zoom, on YouTube, we're live on both. Excellent, excellent. Sevens in the chat. What's going on? What up, George? Jim, Jazzy J, Amy, Brian, Christine, Bob, Jim B, Cindy, Steph, Juliet. It's not Friday. Didn't I say Thursday? Not Friday. Happy Thursday. Yes. What up, iPhone? Good morning, Paula. Got Daring in the waiting room here. Oh, just teasing Jimmy. I don't even know if Jimmy's here. Is Jimmy here? Yeah, Jimmy's not even here yet. What's up, Lars? Checking us out on YouTube. What's up? All right, family. Market's going to open up here in 10 seconds. We're not in alignment for anything. And we have news this morning. We have news at 9:45. 9:45. We have red folder news. So we had some 8:30 news, which didn't do anything drastic, but it did start this push back up from this 7 a.m. drop. So basically the 7 a.m. candle was a straight down drop. 8 a.m. candle was, once it settled, was the wick and then a push back up into the 7. And this looks like probably about a 88 retracement here, with the 5-minute holding bearish. Let's see how heavy. Not too heavy. Where we got to get to flip the 5. Come on. Very, very interesting price action overnight. Oh, we actually touched the trend line there. So we don't have much to do to flip the 5 over back to alignment for buys. This is London's high here and London low down here. And pretty much that was the high and low of the overnight session. Overnight session was just like that. Then we pushed out, and now we're back into that. See if we push bullish here. Market's open now, I believe. Yeah, market's open now. News at 9:45, so possibly that we just hold back. The market just holds back until that news comes out at 9:45. But the 1 minute and the 3 minute are in alignment for buys. 1 minute starting to fade off on volume. We'll see what happens with that. It looks like we're going to be sideways or just slow until 9:45, but we'll see. We'll see. What's up, Dustin? What's up, Sharif? Oh, there's people in the waiting room. No. Good. All right, we are in the first few minutes for the open here. 5-minute candle. I'm on the 5-minute chart right now, watching this. It's halfway done with the bullish engulfing. Don't have much to do to get above and be in alignment. Well, not in alignment, but being a stalemate on the 5 because the volume is still holding red here. We've already tried to get through this 2 times already. This will be the 3rd. Yo, I am cold. I might have to turn my heat back on. Thought we were done with this cold weather. I don't want to hear it from you, George. It's probably 90 degrees at 6:30 in the morning. Yeah, it's been raining in the last 3 days. Blue lives in Chicago. He said the heat's definitely back on up here. Low key, we definitely do have a little channel here happening. All right, we're rejecting for the 3rd time off that top of the trend. 5 minutes keeping us on the bear side right now. There's Jimmy P. Happy Thursday, Jimmy P. Happy Thursday. All right, that 5-minute bullish engulfing that was forming has gone away. We're looking at a 3-minute bearish engulfing now. To get back alignment on the 1 and the 3. Again, like I said, the volume on the 1 was already fading, and we're actually close to a stalemate now. The 3 would need to get basically a low. Basically, I would want to see a lower low put in on a 3-minute. It has to get below 75, close below 75. We already took out a daily target, the 112 area. Man, yesterday's price action was wild. Afternoon, like what, 300 point drop from 550. Actually, we took out that daily target as well. So yesterday's low got taken out, and then the low from the 112-ish area got taken out yesterday, and then today's low got taken out. So next up, if we do come back bearish, is actually going to be 996 and 818. 20,996 and 20,818. All right, the 1 minute did go stalemate. So we're all over the board right now. Yeah, we're going to be waiting for the news. Market's going to wait for the news. Yeah, it is a nice little channel happening up in here, huh? It's actually a tool. Fib channel. I think this is it. I've never used this before, but I think it does something like this. Oh no, I don't think that's right at all. That ain't right. There is a tool. Yes, I'm looking for the parallel channel. Yes. Where is that? In the same section as the trend line. Here. Parallel channel. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Thank you. Let's see. Oh, I don't know how to use this either. Oh, wow. Yeah, I don't know how to use these things. How do you use this? Do I go? Oh, yeah, I go across. Don't know. There you go. I remember now. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Let's put it right. I need one more touches. Let's put it right there. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. Thanks. Well, we just reacted off the 50% of this parallel channel. That might mean something. Get rid of these. I was joking. I wasn't being serious. What's you guys' predictions? We going down to 996? Or are we going to flip this bad boy and go up towards 562? Got 2 for down. 3 for down. Oops. Four for down. Jimmy's, that's what I would say. It's either going to go up or down, fam. trend line from the bottom of where I put mine to the 609 candle. 609 right here. We busted out of that. Dude, this is, I mean, from a structural standpoint, I mean, yeah, it looks. Uh-oh. Where's my phone? Sorry, 1 second. Oh, nice. Oh, wait. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking the red folder should. It's not. It's a 9:45 PMI news candle. So I mean news release. But anyway, what I was saying is structurally, I see you're down. I see you're down. I also see the manipulation that they could easily have put in with this being the bottom here, and then boom, boom, boom. So it's definitely in a spot, which is why we're in a stalemate, blue and red on our 3 time frames of where it could go either way, for sure. There's a case for both sides. There's a case for both sides, for sure. News in 5 minutes, not even. From a fib perspective, if we are going to go down, I think, like I said, this is around 886, I would assume. Yeah, it's a nice clean 886 touch doji candle right there. That would take us down to the 818 area. If that respects, that would take us down here, which the 818 is right there. That'd be easy, well, not easy, but that'll be a projection for their daily target there. Flip side of that, if we're in a new trend, we just hit the 5618 area, which will take us up towards the 320. What are you, Joel? Why you only want to buy? Why do you rather have it go up? I don't care which way it goes. So, coming into the news, we are going bullish engulfing right now. I know where you're getting at there, George. Last 3-minute candle before the red photo news. We're back in the channel. Back in the channel. Buy off of 200 if it goes back up. Let's see. The 1 minute is in a stalemate right now, with the volume pretty low. Trend flip red. Five minutes already red. 3 minute, we need to get below 75, or close below 75. It's also possible that this news candle comes down here, sweeps this, and then we start seeing things go back topside. Let's take 20 minutes and just look at this. Yeah, we still got a lot to clean up here. This 996 area is sitting right at the top is the break, basically the break from last Tuesday. And we have just been sidewinding through here. Looks like you want to go down. All right, 40 seconds. Yeah, I took those last couple taps, George. All right, there we go. Here comes the boom. Booming up, but we booming down. We're wicking that channel again. Don't be a dud. Do something. Do something. Having a hard time breaking back in that channel. 4 more minutes and then we'll be in the bottom of the hour. So far, this news candle has been anticlimactic. We're in a 50-point sandwich right now between 150 and 200. I'm sure you already have. Super anticlimactic. What else is on the docket? 10 o'clock. Another for orange. We are about to be in the bottom of the hour. We're sandwiched in between the opening candle now. It seems like we're starting to try to break up out of there. I see what you see. I see what you see. One minute's pushing stalemate now. 1 minute's pushing blue. 3 minutes already blue. 5 minute needs to get close above here, and volume wise we need to be there as well. I'm gonna remove this out of my way because it's actually distracting now. This is London High. Major divergence on the 15. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. 5 minute chart. I'm on the 5 minute chart. Minute and a half left here, and we got 26 seconds left in the 3 minutes. So we're gonna be waiting about a minute 20 here. Make sure we're gonna flip. We also don't have volume, so we gotta kind of wait on that. Not kind of wait. We gotta wait on that as well. Could happen in this candle if we keep pushing strongly like this. That's all he does.
You've got me saying what's in my head, filling my mind with these images, yeah. And it's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right.
All right, we got the trend there. We're just waiting on the volume on the 5 minute here. Should happen on this candle. This volume on the 5 minute is so low. So low. It's even lower than when it was just consolidating through this channel here. I want to see that pick up.
You've got me all in my feelings, like I could die without you next to me. It's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right, it ain't right.
Alrighty. 5 minutes gonna close here. Oh man, still got so much time. 3:14 left in that candle. We're pushing back above the 250 area. At the end of this 3 minute, at the end of this 5 seconds here, our 3 minute candle and the end of this 5 minutes is going to be the same. So right now I'm going to go back to the 3 minute chart. We're just actually, I'll stay on the 5. We're just waiting on the volume here. It should solidify itself on this candle. And if we close above 250, I'll look to buy off of 250. We've closed above it now a couple times. Hopefully it doesn't take off without us, but it might. Oh, yeah, there it is. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Go ahead, let me know. I know some of you guys are in. You can say it. Go ahead, Ken. Go ahead, Dustin. Not today. How do you make that decision? Ken, where you at? I know you're in at break even. You might be at TP75 because you probably bought from 150. You're too quiet. No, I know what you meant. I knew you meant that you weren't in. I'm just surprised. 130 left. Volume definitely is going to be solidified, so we'll be fine there. 130 left. If we get a pullback to we'll get a pullback to 250. I'll take a shot from there. Ah, there he is. That makes sense. All right, 30 seconds. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Gotta watch out. We might close above 300. If we do, I'll take it from there. All right. 250 is the number. Now we need to pull back. The volume on that 5 minute is picked up nicely. Good. Yeah, I ignored the last two. If Nas is flying, gold is dying. Not always, but this Steph, are you feeling the runner day? Are you feeling a hold day here? Juan, are you feeling a hold day here as well? I know you like to get your 50-40 points, should be about it at all. You don't really hold too much. I got 34 seconds left. The 15-minute close. The bubble. Oh wow, yeah. I mean, we're definitely gonna have some. We got some imbalances on the 15 that need to get filled in. But 15 seconds left here. We might be at 300 right now. We're below it. 10 seconds to go. We're above it now. Around it. Below it. Okay, below it. $250 is still the number. Okay. Daily target here, guys, is 562. But we run straight through this traffic that they put in yesterday. on the free fall. It can really go there. You guys can max out your daily profit goal if you want to hold or trail. We're about to be looking at 300. Got a minute left in this candle. It is 10 o'clock, so we also did have the orange folder come in as well. Ken's in from the 1 minute chart at 300 or 250. We got 40 seconds left. We're back below 300. So as of right now, my buy limit is still set at 250. $30 seconds. Right below it. Right above it. Ooh, right on top of it. There we go. All right. Little pullback. I'm in lower. I got 297. 297. $297. All right, let's keep this juice. She got our coffee. Let's keep going. There's 25 points. We'll be watching reaction at 375. There's a lot of structure there. 375. Okay. Oh, that's 75 points from where we got in at. So I want this to just blow straight through this 25 and not hesitate here. Just blow. Just blow through it. No hesitation. Come on. And just put it in bullish and go from candle there. Continue. 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 It's not really the continuation I wanted, but you did close above it. Still in. Still in because I got a below. Hasn't hit 297, 296 yet, but it's over 300. If you got 300, you're out. I'm still in by a hair. My entry was underneath. Come on. Back up at this 25 level. Looks like it's gonna come grab me now, though. Oh, still there. It's playing around 300. It's acting like it wants to grab me. 299. All right, I'm out now. Okay, I'm out of B there. If we close below, that'll be fine. We'll replay that. If we don't close below, then I'll be looking for the pullback to 250. So let's see what happens next. We can get that pullback to the 250 area. We did wick into that imbalance on the 15. 250 is a 382. Okay. I have a buy limit set for 250. And we got at least 3 minutes. So I'll be right back, family. I have a buy limit set for the 250 area, or for 250. Be right back.
Triple digits on the dash when I'm trying to pass. Black vans on the gas, never finish last. Drifting into all the turns, think I'm gonna crash. But I never gave a fuck, cause I'm living fast. Bitch, I told you once that I want it bad. Put your face above my grill, yeah, I'm ironclad. Stainless steel behind the wheel, yeah, I'm Junior's dad. Yeah, I intimidate. I'm on a victory lap.
Well, I was hoping while I went to go get water, we had tapped into 250. Not there yet. Getting close. Getting close. Locked in 10 on first entry. Took another 20 on a 300 re-entry. Let's see what happens here. We're fighting this imbalance at the moment. Can we get down another 18 points from right here? About to have a new 15-minute candle. All right. Well, don't do that. Well, that's not nice. You spraying them all out there today, Ken. Man, he really did. Being quite rude there.
Oh, love, it's like I'm fading away. I want more, I want more.
Almost there. 1 minute J4 is right there. Playing around that 64 area. Lowest they got was 54. Here she comes. I'm in. All right, I'm gonna jump to the 1 minute. Check this out here. I don't want this candle to close the red. All right, now I want this one to go bullish engulfing off this J4. That's not what I asked. That's not what I asked for. $252. Why? Oh, you should have plenty of time to set a buy limit on that. You shouldn't have been marking execution that one. That's why you get taken out sooner than everybody else. All right, that was not a bullish engulfing. I just got taken out on that one, guys. All right, so I'm on the 1 minute. Okay, so 200 is definitely valid if we get down there. Let me jump back on the 3 minute real quick. Don't be a wick. Come on. Come on down here to 200. Deeper retracement. Oops, I got this backwards. Both of these. This last one was a 50% or two. Yeah, if it closes back above 250, and we'll be replaying that entry. Yeah, well, I'm sorry, it has to close below it first. 10 seconds to go. Right now, we just got wicked out. All right, now we close below it. So if we close back above 250, I'll replay that. We just pulled back. So this initial move pulled back 50%. This second move just pulled back 50%. So let's see if we go from here. I have 200 set for a buy limit at the moment. And you guys don't know this, you can right click on your screen on TopOne or on the Project X platform. You can right click on your number instead of having to type it in the order panel, especially if you use contract size of 5 or 10 on MNQ, or if you use like 1 or 2 on NQ. They're shorthand right there for you to do that. So that's how I get my buy limits for the most part without having to type them in. All right, break even and a stop loss on the second one. We're close to 200. Everything still looks good volume wise, trend wise. I just touched the 3-minute J4. I think 200 might be the, yep, 200 would be the 5-minute J4. It's Jalen's entry. How long have I been trading? Half a decade. Sorry, I just saw your question. And yeah, super close to the 618. If it just peaks below it, it'll hit the 618. What do you know, guys? We're back in this channel. So if we hit 200, I'm in. If we close back above 250, I'll replay that. We're just touching and playing around in this imbalance, 50% J4 area, HDH. A lot of confluence happening right here. Just wanted to get just a little bit below, a little bit lower, touch that 200, and then start giving this buy pressure back to the upside. We've completely filled in the imbalance on the 15-minute candle. That's another confluence at this area. It could go from here. Could absolutely go from here. And if it does, it's okay. I'll take it from 250. Same game plan. I'll plan on trailing this. We got 2 minutes left in this candle. Could definitely be a bullish engulfing candle as well off of that J4. It is doing it so far with a lot of time left in this candle. Also just came back underneath the London low, so a little bit of resistance there. What does she decide to do? Yeah, I mentioned that the HDH is there as well. Yeah, so many things. J4, HDH, 50% imbalance. 15-minute fully imbalance. 15-minute HDH. 225 level. No, you're fine. One minute left in this candle. A little rejection off of the 250 area. Got underneath that 1 minute J4. Still losing that volume pretty strongly on the one. Are you going to come and tap us in at 200? The one tap to trade I stay out of is the one that actually starts to go. I love that when it happens. Did you guys catch that last one? Did you not get a no one either? Yeah, it's not the same, Dustin. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. All right, well, we didn't close it on that tick handle, but I do like the rejection. I do like the respect. I do like the wicks. I do like everything about this. We just got to get back above 250. And if we can do that, then we'll be in business. I see it bounced off that 277. Oh, you're talking about gold. You're talking about gold? 277. What you mean? What are you talking about? I got the 279. I see what you're saying. Nice. Fighting London High. Fighting the London High. Fighting that London High pretty strongly. $10:30, so we just had a new 30-minute candle come in. This might wait to the bottom of the hour to make his next move. That 15-minute volume is fading to the buy side. $21,200 is still open as an option. You still have a buy limit set there. Yeah. Oops, what the heck did I just do? Yeah, I'll just show you. Give me a second. Wait, hold on. We got 2 minutes left. We're pushing it above, so I got time. So here, let me delete this one. Oh, sorry, I didn't switch it yet. So, for 200, can you see my screen? Yeah, you can see it. So for 200, if I just right click on my screen and pulls these options up and limit by 200, and if I want to do one contract, I'm on NQ. I'll just press that right there, and then it's set. So I don't have to use the order panel right here and type everything in. So I just right click on the screen. If you use some contract sizes that are in between these numbers, then you really wouldn't be able to do that. So if you don't use, like I said, 5 or 10 on MNQ or 1 or 2 on NQ, like say you use like 8, then this wouldn't be helpful for you because there isn't no 8 in there, or 7 or 6. Yeah, so it wouldn't be helpful for you. No shortcuts for you. You gotta go limit, type it in, get your 8 in there, and all that. But when you bump up to 10, there you go. Also, I don't know if Marlo is watching. Marlo, if you're watching, throw something in the chat on YouTube, because I saw your question after we finished about showing you how to go break even, or showing you how to slide or lock in 10 points. So if you're out there on YouTube, let me know and I'll show you that. We got 20 seconds. Looks like we're going to be replaying the 250 area if we get this to close. Still waiting on the IT to respond to you about what? Oh, close just below, you sucker. Don't you dare fly now. No entry at 250, we closed below. Still got 200 set. Oh, really? And then you tried it the way that I told you and not do the actual, like, saving on the chart. Yeah, it still didn't work. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really switch between two different instruments, so my layout doesn't really change much. We're pushing down here, yo. Pushing down, down, down. Back maybe towards the 200 area. Oh, you got it figured out. Okay, cool. Jalen's gonna skip this 5-minute J4. Why? Why? It's literally sitting right at our entry point. The quarter level 200 right there, the 618, the end of this imbalance on the 5, the J4. I mean, I ain't trying to twist your arm or anything, but there's like 7 spots of confluence right there. Why would you skip that? Don't let me convince you, but just saying. I ain't skipping it. You literally said here, this is your trade. I'm back testing, rules don't allow it. Oh, okay. All right. Well, like I said, no peer pressure here, bro. Don't have FOMO. Confluence just means a lot of things in your favor. So there's a lot of spots at the same area to give you reasons to buy in your area. So first of all, why buy? Because we're in alignment for sale, so that's first and foremost. We're in alignment for buys, so that's first and foremost. Second thing is this is our entry point of 200. At the entry point of 200, we have areas of confluence, which means that areas of reason, right? So there's the bottom of this imbalance here from our 950 candle. There's the J4. There's the 618 retracement area from this impulse. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 things right there. I mean, I could probably search, find some more imbalance or something like that. Nope, nothing else. So four points of confluence at that spot. That's what that means. Was that helpful? Yeah, okay. And we are just not really wanting to reach to it yet. We might This 1 minute is getting weaker and weaker. It might lose the one here soon. However, the trend for the one is down here at 161. So even if we lose the volume, I was talking to you guys about this the other day. Even if we lose the volume, we could get the volume back a lot easier than we can get the trend back. So as long as it stays above, doesn't close above 161, then losing the volume, we can easily get that volume back. Just put a bearish engulfing candle off the 250 area. See if we can violate this bullish engulfing. I mean, this literally was a maybe low 205, high 204, left a quarter behind. Back at the London high here. All right, 20 seconds. What you gonna do, girlfriend? Not close above. That's what you're gonna do, huh? We did start the violation process. Looks like we might have closed above that London high. Can't tell. Closed right on top of it. Oh, there she goes. There you go. You're taking off now. Psych. All right, we got 17. Oh, Brian, I just saw your message. Let me switch over to my practice account and I'll take a dummy trade and show you. We got a minute 12. So Brian did just message me. He wants to see how you can lock in points. So I'll show you that. Let's just take a. Well, I got my limit set there, so that's fine. Oh wait. This is like we are still blue, but this next candle probably is gonna close. Let me go back to here. Hold on a second, Brian. I'll show you though. Once we're getting close here, but I saw that stalemate popping up. Oh man, it just looks so good. I don't want you to go stalemate on me. Probably gonna be in a stalemate. I'm not gonna do it. I'll let you guys do it. You know what I'm talking about. All right, I'll show you this here. I'm just gonna take a buy, right? And watch this run. Watch this little stupid buy run. Let's say I was already at break even and I wanted to lock in points. I can slide this, right? I can slide this. Like if I wanted to lock in some points, I can slide it, let it go, and now I have points locked in. Does that make sense? I know that was quick, but did you see that? And you could type in this chat. Okay, cool. You did see that. So yeah, this level, you can actually slide it around. I can move it to break even manually, but that's what that button right there is for. But you can slide it back and forth, and that's how you lock in points. So once we got to like 250 and I wanted to lock in 10 points, I would lock in 10 points there like that. All right. Yeah, no problem. Okay, so 250 is good. That volume on the one is very weak, but if we got down here to 200, we'll be in a stalemate. And I know some of you guys are going to want to take that 200 anyway. And so I am going to sacrifice myself and not take it, not rebel, so you guys can. But 250 is 100% valid. It's a weak valid, but it's valid. And if we close above it in 25 seconds, I will snap in on that one because it is 100% in alignment. I'll let you guys do 200 and we all can do 250 together if we close above it. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm on the 1 minute chart. Let me jump back to the 3. We still have 1 minute left in this candle. We're about to be in the bottom of the hour. It feels like another push is coming. It ain't happening now, though. Where'd all our volume go? We were so smooth moving and then we just started chopping around again. 1 minute is in a stalemate. It will be in 10 seconds. Who's taking 200? Raise your hand. I am deleting my 200 limit. I will participate on my practice account. Just so I can get this feeling out of my gut. Oh, don't all speak at once. I know some of you will. I probably would if I was by myself. Ken's done for the day. Because you've had a good result or because you had a bad result? Too many rebels. You hate when I do what? Tell you that I would take it if I was by myself. Oh, sorry. Well, you know, I'm like a rebel curse. Anytime I do it, it doesn't work out. Unless I fully believe that I'm not rebelling, it doesn't work out. Like last Friday, I really thought that I was not rebelling and caught 50 points. I literally have to convince myself that, well, I didn't have to convince myself. I really thought that that everything was in alignment, but it wasn't yet. But when I rebel, it just never works out. I'm like Shaq from the free throw line. I've never made a free throw. Yeah, exactly. Probably lower than that. Right, like 12%. Nobody would hire me with those results. See you, George. Good luck with everything. We can get this 1 minute back if we go up. Yeah, I mean, the J4 and HGH are holding strong. 50% level is even holding strong. This imbalance is holding strong. Everything is holding strong. I mean, this entire level right here is holding strong. We are in the bottom of the hour now. Something's going to happen. Real quick, we are live tomorrow, but Monday is a holiday, so we are not going to be live on Monday. So I won't see you guys again until Tuesday after tomorrow. But if you're not going to be here tomorrow, I'll see you guys next week. But we do have a session. We will be live. We do have folders tomorrow. Here she comes. Well, if I don't take it, I'll have Ken's thoughts from yesterday, which I could have, should have. What kind of thoughts will you have if you take it and it doesn't work out? Are those thoughts worse than the thoughts of coulda, shoulda, woulda? And if they're not, then do your thing. You can take personal responsibility and be A-okay with the result and take it. I personally wouldn't be okay with it. Especially because I have such a low percentage of winning them. I did just get entered in it on my practice account, though. That's where I decided to take it. So I can see if my percentage is going to go up or not. Stuff's in. Oh, we got more people actually in this trade. I am so rooting for you guys. Let's see how that 1 minute volume's looking. That's the last little resort right here. It needs to pop from here. A little bit of an imbalance sitting there, and it just touched the 1 minute opening bell candle. Needs to go. Needs to go, skis. No dice. Hey, that's all that matters at the end of the day. As long as you're okay with that. You're okay with that decision. Can't be angry. Can't be mad. You made it. You made it. Oh, looks like we're heading down here towards possibly losing the 1 minute completely. We're at the 71 on this retracement. Yeah, that was your second shot, and it did not work out. You should be done, bro. Show. They can manipulate this market all the way back down to the downside. Locked out and done. You guys are done. I still got one shot available, but I don't think we're going to get any sales anytime soon. So, and it's 3 minutes to go. So yeah, I'm done as well. Minus 25 for me personally. Did not take that one as it wasn't fully in alignment. We got one more day tomorrow. We got one more day tomorrow, and we're up nicely on the week. So it's been a good week. See, Jalen's is rubbing it in our face over here on YouTube. He said, "That's why I follow my trading plan." LOL. Good job, man. I'm proud of you, because I definitely gave you so many reasons to why you could have taken that trade, and you stayed strong. I am actually really proud of you for that. We all were in the chat. You can see the chat. Steph was saying the same thing. Like, why wouldn't you take that? Yeah, I'm proud of you, bro. Good job. Way to work. Way to follow your trading plan, despite what I said. It is true. We did have a lot of confluence, but you said, you know what? That ain't my plan. I'm done. I'm not doing it. So, all right, family. We're bouncing off that 71. We did not lose the one on the trend. If you do have a shot available and you want to see what happens later, just wait for the 1 minute to come back in alignment and see what happens with that. It's popping up now. It's popping up now. Jesus. I'll see y'all tomorrow, though. I won't sit here and see this market tease you guys. See you tomorrow. We'll be live tomorrow. And if you're not coming tomorrow, have a great holiday. Stay safe. We'll be back with you guys on Tuesday. Thanks for watching on YouTube. Leave a like on the way out. Appreciate you guys. Subscribe if you're not. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, all right? Have a great Thursday. Peace out for now.
lost in your room, but I won't be hiding. Heart of a fool, no, I won't deny it. The way I'm tossing and turning and rolling the dice, strange to